Hey all, Tom Weller here from forexreviews.info. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can quickly and easily draw support and resistance. You don't need any fancy indicators or anything like that. You just need to be able to assess the charts, and yeah, it's just a simple little way that I use, and it works really, really well. The thing is with support and resistance, if you use the higher time frames, you'll always find that these will definitely be support and resistance that work the best. So what I first do is, because I like to trade the higher time frames as well, but these are also areas that you want to use even if you're trading the lower time frames, is you just go to the weekly chart first off. Just zoom out. You can see all the movements, the major moves in the market there. Then I'll change it to a line chart, right? And I'll just draw in some of the recent areas on the chart which have been bounce areas. So bounce, bounce, bounce. Now the trick with this is you've got to find at least 3 touches or more for it to be a significant support or resistance zone. This one's close, right here. There, here, here, and here. Okay, here's another one. We don't need to draw these ones in that are too far away. I'll just draw in the ones that are close, like I said. And there you go. That's all the recent ones. Now I'll put it back onto candles, and then I'll go to the daily chart, and I'll just line these up a bit better. Sometimes they're just a couple of pips off. See here, 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 here. You don't need this one in between here. I'm just wanting to leave the significant ones I can see on the chart here. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that. As you can see, now I'll change it to the line chart. I don't know, I hope you guys can see the line chart there on the video quite well. If not, click the HD button down below and you'll see it crystal clear. So here we go. So basically here you go, you can see all the movements up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And so these are basically areas where you want to watch and see if the price, because you want to get in on prices that are changing direction, or if it's a continuation, which is a trend, then you want to get in as it's bouncing down across the trend, as it's retracing on the trend area, as you can see here. And we're just about to come up to a bit of a possible bounce area up here. Okay, so that's what the chart looks like that, okay? Now, if you like using channels, you can do stuff like that. Anyway, this video is about support and resistance, so I'll remove that as well. Okay, so basically, there you go. That's basically support and resistance in a nutshell. So how you use this for trading? Well, the first thing I recommend you do is you just set alarms at these zones. When the prices are near these zones, you just set alarms near them. So where price is now, price is right here at 133.50. So I've got an alarm at, just pull this one up a little bit, it should be a little bit higher. I got an alarm at 132.80 because I want to be able to buy where it's bounced so many times before. It's also, if you look across here, you see this has bounced recently a number of times. So bouncing here would be very likely as well. And here's another one too, which looks like a great support area as well. Right in here. That's a little trick as well, as you can highlight the support areas which you think are going to be stronger than the other ones, and that's what I do as well. So when they get to these support areas, when price comes down to these areas and the alarms go off, you'll just look at it, and I mean, if you're using the lower time frames, you can get in a pin bar pretty much straight away. Or if you're on the higher time frames, then you're looking for a bullish type of candle or just a rejection sort of candle. After the rejection candle, you can jump in, or if you're just the sort of person that likes to buy and sell at support and resistance, you can just buy at these zones. It depends on what your trading style is. I like to look for price action, and these are definitely the areas where price usually tends to bounce to and fro. So when it bounces from here, it'll have a tendency to go back to this area, which is 130, basically 134 resistance or support zone. So it'll do this, something similar to this. It tends to. Not always. Support and resistance do get broken every now and then, something like that. Or it might even go higher then, or it might go back down again, like so. And so this is a trade opportunity here. This is also a trade opportunity here. So you set your alarms here at 134 as well. You look for sell signals there. And down here you look for buy signals. Okay, so that's basically summing up support and resistance in a nutshell. If you have any questions on this video, just write your comment below this video. Also another thing too, if you're on YouTube, feel free to like as well. And before I go, if you want to get some other really good videos like this one on tips on how to trade, how to make money from Forex, how to make even more, like how to use money management, all sorts of tips, then come to my website, forexreviews.info, add your name and email, get on my email list, and yeah, there's lots of different videos available. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great rest of the day.